Imagine this. She's laughing at your joke, her eyes locked on yours, leaning in just a little closer than before. But here's the kicker. She doesn't even know why. It's like something switched on inside her, and suddenly she's feeling more drawn to you. No, it's not magic. It's science. Attraction operates on a psychological level, influenced by various factors that govern human interaction. Understanding this intricate web can make you irresistibly magnetic without requiring you to change who you are. Instead, it's about recognizing the right moments to act and making subtle adjustments to your demeanor. As we delve deeper into these pivotal moments, let's also draw on the principles of Stoicism, the ancient philosophy that emphasizes rationality, self-control, and emotional resilience. By applying Stoic principles, you can navigate social interactions with a calm and centered demeanor, enhancing your attractiveness as a result. The psychological chain reaction of attraction. Attraction isn't random. It's a psychological chain reaction, one you can trigger if you know the right timing, mindset, and energy. Once you grasp this, the way women respond to you will never be the same again. Moment number 1. Right after she sees you handle a challenge. Nothing ignites a woman's attraction faster than witnessing a man conquer adversity. This instinctual response is hardwired into human psychology. Strength, resilience, and decisiveness trigger deep attraction signals. When a woman observes a man facing a challenge, whether it's a difficult conversation, a work-related issue, or a social situation, her brain registers his ability to handle stress and uncertainty. This is not just about physical strength, it's about emotional and mental fortitude. Women are naturally drawn to men who exhibit these qualities as they signal reliability and the potential for protection and support. Think about it. Ever notice how some guys suddenly become more attractive after overcoming a struggle? When he stays cool under stress or stands up for his beliefs, women pick up on that. In those moments, their perception shifts. This is because resilience is an attractive trait. It suggests that a man can navigate life's ups and downs with grace and confidence. To leverage this to your advantage, stop avoiding challenges. Instead, lean into them. Whether it's standing your ground, making tough decisions, or maintaining composure in stressful situations, these moments can make you stand out instantly. Moreover, when she sees others respect you for your resilience, the attraction intensifies. Women are highly perceptive to social dynamics. By embodying Stoic virtues, like courage and emotional resilience, you not only handle challenges effectively, but also inspire admiration. This admiration can create a powerful connection as she begins to associate your strength with her feelings of attraction. Moment number 2. When you break a pattern in her mind, predictability breeds boredom. Women don't feel attraction when they can anticipate your every move. However, the moment you break a pattern, their subconscious awakens. For instance, if she expects an immediate response to a text and you don't comply, her curiosity peaks. This unpredictability can create a sense of intrigue and excitement. If every guy in the room is vying for her attention and you choose to remain aloof, you instantly become the most intriguing figure. This is because breaking patterns creates a sense of novelty, which is essential for maintaining attraction. This is where the power of mystery comes into play. Women are attracted to men who create an air of unpredictability. To amplify her attraction, refrain from being an open book. Keep her guessing, and she'll find you 10 times more interesting. A simple yet effective technique is to pause before responding. This slight hesitation adds a layer of dynamism to conversations, subtly increasing tension and interest. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. The anticipation of your response can heighten her interest, making her more engaged in the interaction. Remember, as the Stoics taught, Patience and self-control are virtues that can enhance your social interactions. By mastering the art of timing and unpredictability, you can create a magnetic presence that draws her in. Moment number 3. When you control the frame. The man who controls the frame controls the interaction, allowing her to lead the dynamic positions you as just another guy hoping to impress. However, when you assert control, you set the tone, energy, and pace of the interaction. This doesn't mean being aggressive or domineering. Instead, it means being grounded, unshakable, and fully in control of your own energy. Women are attracted to men who exude confidence and stability. Picture this. On a date, she throws a teasing remark to gauge your reaction. The average guy might get defensive or overcompensate. The man who controls the frame, however, simply smirks, leans back, and plays along. By maintaining control of the frame, you create an environment where she feels safe and intrigued. Women inherently respect and admire men who are not easily rattled. This respect can translate into attraction as she begins to see you as someone who is not only confident but also capable of handling the complexities of life. Sometimes, just a silent smile can create more attraction than a well-crafted response. Your calm demeanor can be incredibly alluring, as it signals that you are comfortable in your own skin. Embrace the Stoic idea of remaining calm in the face of difficulty. This steadiness can draw her in and make her feel more connected to you. Moment number 4. When she sees other women attracted to you, one of the most potent psychological triggers of attraction is social proof. Women are biologically inclined to be attracted to men who other women desire. It's an instinctive filter that suggests, if he's valuable to others, he must be worth my attention too. This is why men who confidently navigate social situations and engage effortlessly with other women naturally attract more attention. It's not about inciting jealousy, it's about showcasing your high status effortlessly. When she sees you interacting positively with other women, it reinforces your desirability in her eyes. To trigger this effect, build your social proof. Enjoy yourself, engage with others, and let women see you as a man of value. This doesn't mean you should be disingenuous or overly flirtatious. Rather, it's about being genuinely charismatic and approachable. Remember, confidence is contagious. The more comfortable you are in your own skin, the more women will gravitate toward you. When you embody self-assurance, it creates an inviting atmosphere that encourages attraction. Embrace the Stoic belief in self-worth and inner confidence, and it will resonate with those around you, making you even more appealing. Moment number 5. When you show control over your emotions. Nothing repels attraction faster than emotional instability. Conversely, a man who remains composed under pressure is magnetic. When a woman observes that you don't break down or chase after attention, it signals unshakable confidence, one of the most desirable traits you can possess. The next time you feel the urge to overreact or seek validation, pause, breathe, and stay centered. Women take notice of men who can regulate their emotions. This emotional control not only enhances your attractiveness, but also provides her with a sense of security, an irresistible quality in a man. When you demonstrate calmness under pressure, you create an environment where she feels safe to express herself. This emotional stability can foster deeper connections as she begins to trust you more. Moreover, exhibiting calmness under pressure offers her a sense of security, an irresistible quality in a man. By mastering your emotions, you not only enhance your attractiveness, but also create a foundation for a more meaningful relationship. Finally, mastering the art of attraction. Attraction isn't merely about luck, It's about understanding timing, psychology, and behavior. The men who succeed with women are not necessarily more attractive or wealthier. They simply know how to be in the right moment at the right time. Armed with this knowledge, you can master these moments and watch how effortlessly attraction works in your favor. By integrating Stoic principles into your interactions, embracing resilience, emotional control, and self-assurance, you enhance your attractiveness even further. Now go forth and implement these insights, and you'll find that the dynamics of attraction can shift dramatically in your favor. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and connection, and remember that every interaction is an opportunity to showcase the best version of yourself.